Welcome to part 2 of the video. Now you're seeing we're using NetBeans, but we haven't started it. So right now we're going to click HTML5/JavaScript. First, we haven't activated yet. We got to use this one. So this is the one that we're going to be using. So what you notice here in the description, you need to read, we're saying we're creating new HTML/JavaScript. So, alright, as you read it. So HTML/J means JavaScript, but we're not using JavaScript. We're going to use HTML. So we click next. Hold on. So long it's activating. And now we're going to use the project name. So, wait a minute. As noticed here in the project name, you have to make it all located. As you see here, it's at one, the project location is going to be based on the folder that you're using. The project file. So, it's based on the computer, like which one that, for example, if you're using Dropbox, it's going to show here. So, based on the computer that you, right now, this is what I'm going to use to save all my projects. So we click next. And we'll hold. So right now, we're going to select no site template. So we're going to leave that at the default location. So we click next. And we unclick all of these. We don't need them. And we click finish. And now it's showing up all of NetBeans. So basically, so this one is here. Okay, as you notice here, this is a skeleton of the NetBeans, like of HTML. So once we're exploring, you see at one, we open side root, and we find out the index file here, which is the one that we use. So if you try to close it, like this one, you can still open it back, see? So right now I'm going to close this. And you see here, we're going to delete this one because there's a comment, I believe. So we delete that. As you notice here, we changed the title to title. And we change the content right here to this is a test page. So now we're gonna save it. Give me patient. Yes, we save this under this button, or you could do command as you like. Not just like a shortcut, and then we'll run it later in the web extension or software. Okay, now this one is where you run your application, and this is like the for example, when you're using NetBeans, it's going to show you like which software that's offering you to run your program. For example, Chrome, Internet Explorer, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox. Now, if we want to change one of them, you could select one of them here. But right now, we're going to stick to Google, so we're going to run as. So, hold on. As you see here, it says asking for access. I'm putting like these two. And I don't know about my internet yet, so I put allow access. So we're going to run as. Why one is the I gotta see this in, I'll show the video in part 3.